What's going on, guys? And this right here is a 2019 Dodge Charger. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off by explaining to you guys where we bought it from. We bought it from Houston, Texas. The car, we got it at a good deal because it had extremely bad damage here on the front end. But all the parts are in eBay, so that's gonna be good for us. Also, the car has a big damage on the door and the fender, but we have a local vendor which is going to give us the parts at extremely low price. Other than that, the car seems really cool. These doors, they can't open. If not, I wouldn't open them. Going on to the rims, as you can see, they are pretty good, but we're going to surprise you guys with a badass transformation. Going on to the back, we can see that the car has a nice little tail blacked out, which gives it a mean look. Alright guys, going to the passenger side, we can see that everything is intact, so there shouldn't be no problems with this side. The only thing is that the airbags are blown, both driver and passenger side. Going on to the engine, the car didn't start at all. The description was that it had mechanical issues, but the problem was that, I don't know if in the auction or like in the auction or in the insurance claim, they took out the fuse, which was probably this one or this one. Once I changed this one out, the car started. Well guys, that concludes today's video. If you guys do like our content, please make sure to like and subscribe so that we keep you updated with the latest videos.